All right, the next question comes from Luca Giacomel. And Luca wants to know, when the work of the compiler is really, really heavy, and you have a really long regular expression, is there any way of dumping out the final set of these low-level machine instructions so they can be called later?
Yep. Okay, that's a great question. A couple answers to that. One is that within the regular expression module, the RE module in Python, there is a compile statement that takes a string in and returns a compiled version of that regular expression. And so you can, if you're running your program once, you can compile that regular expression once at the very top of your program and then use the compiled expression each time. Now, if you do that explicitly, then you're all set. If you don't, the regular expression module does most of the work for you, because what it does is it keeps a little cache. It does something like memoize and keeps the last few regular expressions that it's done and said, oh, I've seen this string before. I know what it compiles to. I'll just fetch that compiled object, and does that automatically. So that's within one run of your program. Now, another thing to think about is between runs of your program. What if you've compiled everything and then you don't want to have the startup time of compiling it over again? There's another module called pickle. And you know, well, what are pickles? They're ways of storing cucumbers for a long time so that they don't get rotten. So that's what the pickle module does. It takes an object that exists within the running Python interpreter and writes it out to disk in a form that can be read back in.